All right, let's take you back to Harare now, where ENCA's Pindai Dube is again joining us to tell us about the MDC filing those court papers to challenge the outcome of the elections last week. So, Pindai, you were telling us about what the implications are for the inauguration of President-elect Emmerson Mnangagwa on Sunday. I mean, the invitations have already gone out, including to South African President Cyril Ramaphosa, who's confirmed that he will be attending. But that may change, would it?
Yes, that's it exactly. There's no inauguration. You know, according to the Zimbabwe electoral law, once it has been opposed 7 days after the declaration of the results, it means that there's no Sunday inauguration. It's back to zero. We are waiting for the outcome of the court to see whether President Emmerson Mnangagwa will be inaugurated or not. So it's now up to the court. Technically, there's no inauguration.
What is the essence of what the MDC is arguing here, Pindai? I know that you're still waiting for the legal teams to emerge and perhaps give you a blow-by-blow, if not perhaps a summary of what their main arguments are. But what is the nature of the grievance that the MDC has against the results as announced?
Right. What they are saying, Coutesy, is that most polling station results are not being reflected. Were not reflected by the outcome, the final outcome of the vote. You know, at the polling stations, according to Zimbabwe law, results are posted outside. So what they are saying is that the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission announced wrong results. They changed the results. There's no enough evidence that the results which were coming from the polling stations are the ones which were declared by them. They are totally different. They've got evidence. They've got what you call C11 forms from the polling stations, and it's totally different.
Right, Pindai, because the line is not so great, talk to us about the environment in Zimbabwe post those elections. We have seen allegations by the opposition that there's a kind of crackdown on them. We saw Tendai Biti being arrested and deported back to Zimbabwe after he tried to seek asylum in Zambia. What is the mood and the situation like, including, of course, allegations of the military members being involved in some violations there?
Right, yes, that's very true. It's calm in Harare, but there are reports in the streets of Harare, it's very quiet, that the MDC leaders, they are saying that their members are being intimidated. You know, yesterday, yesterday it was in court, and even today, it is in court. He was granted bail 5,000, but there are some technicalities which are still being discussed in court, and some opposition supporters are at the magistrate court, and even here at the constitutional court, there are some. The situation is tense, but calm. It's peaceful in the streets of Harare. But we hear cases of abductions, cases of harassment by state security agents. But the police itself, they are saying there is nothing like that. They are denying that the opposition is being harassed. That the opposition will continue to level allegations of harassment of its supporters in the high-density suburbs of Harare.
So just quick confirmation then before I let you go, Pindai, you can confirm this is a moving story. At this particular point, the legal teams are still inside the Constitutional Court precinct, and you are waiting to hear from them when they emerge how the process went of filing those documents to oppose the election results.
Yes, right now we're at the entrance. We are still waiting for them. They are inside. I have seen them taking papers from some of the supporters, bunches of papers which they are saying evidence in those papers. So we are still outside. They are inside when they are done.
All right, thank you so much. That's ENCA's Pindai Dube talking to us from Harare about that breaking story of the MDC Alliance filing court papers to challenge the electoral win as declared by the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission of Emmerson Mnangagwa for the presidency of Zimbabwe. Keeping an eye on that story. But back home, Sean